Hi everyone, my name's Luke, and today we're just going to show off one of our roller shelf carts that we have here. So this particular cart comes with 4 different shelves. They're all at different heights, but one of the beauties of our system is that you can easily just obviously unbolt these, take the tubes out, pop out the rollers, and then you can readjust the heights as you need, depending on the height of your boxes or the materials that you'll be using on this cart. This cart in particular will be mostly used for different types of boxes, so they can add in 1 large box or 2 smaller boxes. And you can see here, this is a feeding system, so the operators will receive the boxes from here. And then in the lowest shelf here, there will be a returning system here. So it's a bit of a FIFO system, first in, first out. The weight that these shelves can take ranges, but a maximum weight of around 50 kilos per shelf. You can add a tow bar onto this if you like, and it also can be adjusted into different sizes. So you can really, using the FlexQube concept, use this any way that you like. So if you'd like to learn more about either our roller shelf carts, our different type of flow solutions, you can just visit our website at www.flexqube.com. Any designs on there, just reach out to us and we can start a discussion with you. Thanks very much for watching, guys.